Hey, good morning, chat. Good morning, guys. Hope everyone is doing well. How's everyone doing? Hi, hello. I'm good, thanks. Good. Yeah, I'm looking for a sell. I'm already in a sell on EU on this Solar Prime account. I'll share it in a bit. From New York, London. So I'm short here on EU again on my Hola Prime account. My entry, as you can see on the screen, not financial advice. Obviously, my entry is 1.16031, 20 pip stop. Gonna aim for 20 pip TP as well. Basically, after taking profits at the right time there on the first shorts, now we had a nice retracement. So let's see if we kind of continue back down here on EU or if this wants to push higher. We still have 39 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. Daily is trying to push, so there's a big chance that we break higher here, but I want to see if this is just a manipulation to go lower. So I will be going break even basically once we hit like it's a big stop. Once we kind of take out the lows here, I will be going break even. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's see how that plays out. What do you mean the logic of gold trade yesterday? We shorted gold. Gold was getting ready for shorts. I said it since the morning. We rejected the high of the range, and then we shorted back down on New Year session. Caught the entire move. And we're gonna continue looking for shorts today. Same thing every single day. Damn. God damn. What a day yesterday, right? Love. Yeah, well, let me show you guys the Telegram. Check this out. Yesterday. Yeah, this was all yesterday. We bought 70 pips profit. We sold 120, 220 pips, 400 pips on the sales, 420 pips on the sales, 500 pips on the sales. Then our buy limit got activated, 80 pips, 130 pips, 150 pips, 200 pips, another buy, break even 80 pips, for a total of 900 pips yesterday so far. And then we hit 670 pips on the short for a total of 1070 pips. And then it went a little bit lower. Then Asia session, we sold again 800 pips profit. We sold again 110 pips. Crazy. Fixed 1%, 1-to-1, risking 4%, a fast way to get a 100K account. Yeah, it's pretty fast. I'm in the trade. Yeah, I'm in this EU sales on my Hola Prime account. Told you guys every day I'm trading live here, the Hola Prime account. They are the sponsor of this live stream, so check them out. Code NFX, two-step pro account. And yeah, shorted EU here. After taking profits on the short here to here, right, short it again now, as you can see on the screen, up around 400. You can trade US pairs, yeah. Let's check GU. GU selling off again from that 4-hour highs. Gold just taken out Asia high. We're going to get ready to trade it later. NQ just sitting above daily high now. Super bearish close yesterday, so I would expect more downside on NQ. But we're just taking out the weekly lows, so we're having quite a big of a reaction right now. If this 4-hour closes like this and engulfs, I think this can rebound back up to the same range. So I'm gonna wait for confirmation for sales here, but again, probably during your session. Yesterday, during the live call with the students, we did catch these NQ buys, took profits at around 1.1, 0.8, and then got trailed out for the rest. So this was the trade. Around here, 50-point stop, took profits here at the high, wanted higher, but then trailed out, break even, and then it ended up dropping. So yeah, NQ been a little difficult to trade. All right, EU moving nicely here. I would like to see a bit lower before I go break even though. 1-1 trade, or will you? This will probably just be a 1-to-1 trade, or even less. If we get like a big drop now towards like Frankfurt low, I'll just take profits. If not, then move slowly. Then yeah, I'll just take a 1-to-1. Do you use the same platform you promote? Yes, I trade on VT Markets. Hey Andy, my name is not Andy. How often are you doing these live streams? I'm doing them 3 times a week for London session. Usually it's gonna be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I think. Yesterday was really, really nice day. Everywhere was blue collar. Yeah, bro, we killed it. Insane. That's how we do it. EU field fair value gap? Yeah, I did. So you have 4 days weekend? What do you mean? No, I still trade on Thursday and Friday, but not here on YouTube. Or I see, maybe if we get like every day we get over 100 people watching, 150 people, then maybe I'll go live every day. It's all up to you. If you guys push the stream, I'll go live every day, every morning. 1 year session is difficult to trade these last few weeks. Yeah, because August is usually a very slow month, and they use this month to basically grab as much money from the markets as possible. That's why you see all this bullshit in the markets, right? It's very usual for August and summer months usually. I got fucked on these funding pips accounts today. I literally got stopped out on the lows, tried to go long on NQ. Hit the daily loss limit. Literally, I got stopped out literally at the lowest before pumping. So I went long here. No, right, this. I literally got stopped out on this small wick. Damn, sometimes, so unlucky. So fucking unlucky sometimes. But it is what it is. Funny Peeps got a new CEO. No, I didn't see that. No. Do we trade D40? No. Is VT Markets a regulated broker? Yeah, it is. Trade New York AM session? Yeah, I trade it. I usually go live with my students inside the Pro from Blueprint. Why can't trade EU on VT Markets? You can trade EU. What do you mean? Why can't you trade EU? You should 100% be able to trade EU. No buy sell buttons. Oh, I think you need to use a different. Just search Euro USD and add all of them, and one of them is gonna work. Inactivity period at VT Markets? No, I don't think so. No. Thanks for Istanbul. Hey, thank you, man. What is your initial stop loss for this trade? It's 20 pips. It's a bit high, to be honest. But I wanted to play it safe because we do get some bullshit sometimes. So I'm sure here on the Hola Prime account, up around almost $800. Once this candle flips, I think I'll go break even, so I can be risk free, right? So yeah, yesterday pretty good day in the VIP group. Almost 1,000 pips call on gold. No stop losses. This confirmation is gonna retest and continue dump on EU or what? Yeah, dollar. I know. I don't know. Let's see. I'll probably go break even. If you take a win, you close the day, or do you take other trades? It depends. I usually like to close my day, but I sometimes, if I see another setup, I continue trading. If there's more money to be made, I'll try to make it. Or I cycle accounts, right? If one account is up, I'll go to another account and trade that account. Which is best instrument to trade in New York AM session? I think New York NQ, yeah. Live account on a broker, $300 to $500. You can go to the Telegram group if you also want to join, use our broker, and also join the free VIP. It's right there. I don't know which trade you're talking about, 4355. No, because that was modified. Ah, shit. Yeah. It wasn't updated. Yeah, that's my bad. Should have been updated. For some reason, it didn't update from the bot. Yeah, we'll fix that. Let me talk to my dev. For what amount would you say that is good to start? I mean, if you want 10K, 10K is a good one. Is it stupid to go for fixed one-to-one for the rest of my life? No, it actually works if you have a high win rate. Yeah, I joined the VIP yesterday. It's really amazing, and its results are amazing. Supposed to get deposit bonus from Docker. Any update on that? You can text the support on Telegram. Ask them. I'll ask my team as well. I'm not sure about that. I'm gonna ask and do an update. The goal now have a big week on MT4 and 4 hour, but stream down beyond the week. Do you know the cause? 4 hour week where? To the downside, or let me check. I don't have any 4 hour weeks. So I'm not sure. Do you use Wanda for charts? Yeah, for gold, Wanda, for CFD forex.com, and for indices CME, obviously. Is there a way for mods to add me to Telegram? Shoot me your Telegram username on where can you send it? Send it on my Instagram. I'll send it over to the support so they can message you. With the 10K account doing 2-3-4% a month, you can really do a living. I mean, bro, that's, you know, you're gonna risk more, obviously. But if you want to make a living from personal funds, then I don't know, 50K, you risk 1K per trade. You know, the risk is gonna be the same. It's, you know, so it's not really. So you have to think about, all right, how much do I want to make per month, right? You want to make 3%, 4% per month. All right, so you want to make $4,000 a month, then you have to risk $1,000, right? So then the deposit is gonna be what allows me to lose, I don't know, 20 trades in a row, 30 trades in a row plus the margin. So then you're gonna have to deposit like 30K. Correct way to backtest, Andrew? I don't know. I don't really recommend backtesting. I think you should forward test more. But if you want to backtest, just use TradingView. Can I learn to trade gold like you? You can join the mentorship if you want. TradingNFX.com. So here on EU, right, we had a nice, I want to see this 1 hour flip bearish because I really want to go break even on this, even if it's only like 6 pips. I have a feeling this can go a little bit higher, so I'll just go break even right now. Honestly, because I do have a feeling we can potentially go a little bit higher before shorting. So I'll just cover my entry here. I don't want to lose the profit from yesterday's trade. So this is my Hola Prime 2-step account, right? Overall, I'm up around 1.5K. Took a win and then some losses. So I'm just gonna go break even on this one. If we hit break even, then can look for the next trade. It's just that it's a bit aggressive and we might kind of come back, do something like this before shorting. So I would rather play it safe. But if you guys want to check them out, Hola Prime, you can use code NFX, 20% off every account, 1-step, 2-step, and a bunch of accounts. Yeah, bro. And again, if you have that money to deposit, go ahead and join the VIP as well, because you're gonna make a lot of money trading gold. Even if you do 1 lot, if you make like 200-300 pips of profit every day, and that's gonna be easy, you make 2-3K. We can do 0.5, and size of that account, that's a 100K 2-step prime account. What's your logic behind yesterday's gold VIP trades? I said my bias since the morning, right? So since the morning, we were watching for a potential drive up here to continue moving down based on the higher time frames, but we didn't, right? Instead, we swept London highs and rejected. So what happened, right? We swept the lows, we tried to go higher, and then we kind of started ranging here. So because we had this huge liquidity grab, and then we kind of failed to go higher, and bearish volume was starting to go in, we just we started shorting it, and we shorted it back to the 4-hour demand right here. Boom, 500 points, 500 pips. All right, seems like I'll get hit at break even here on EU, which is fine, I guess. I'll look to re-enter later on. A break-even hit is sometimes better than a stop loss. Want to join the Telegram VIP? You can go on there's a pinned link in the chat here, Telegram. Go to the free Telegram and then click the blue button at the top. For 500 pips profit goal, what's your stop loss? Every trade has around 100 pips in stop loss, but we never hit a stop loss. Not yet. Obviously, we will hit stop losses, but the profit is way more than the stop losses. Enter EU long. Yeah. Looks like it has some more juice in it, right? Nice recovery here. So that's why I'm saying the shorts are not A plus on it, right? We can drive higher today. We could recover the moves down and kind of be stuck in the same range. Looks like it on NQ as well. So, you know, I'll play safe. Yeah, tag the break even now. Just got stopped out break even here. So out of any trades right now. Gonna keep waiting. See if we have any other setups here. If not. Not. In your VIP, do you trade every day on props or in your personal account? Personal account. If you meet the 18-year-old, what will tell him 3 advice about trading, help him to become consistent? I would say just one thing: have patience and keep going. Right. That would be the first advice. Come on, guys, like the stream. Let's push it. Only 93 people live. Come on, guys. Gotta be at least over 100. On 36. Oh, it shows 93 for me. I don't know why. I noticed fuck Monday, Tuesday, fuck London session. Yeah. Put a break even just on entry. No, just on entry. Biggest myth and one biggest truth. Biggest myth is let's see. Biggest myth. I think biggest myth is that you need a high win rate to be profitable and make a bunch of money. And biggest truth is that psychology and risk management is the most important thing in trading. There is nothing more important than that. Absolutely. Well, NQ trying to push higher here. Yeah. Looks like we're gonna get those ranging day to the upside. But not every day is a trading day, right? For testing, yeah, I mean, just grab a small account and trade every day. Active accounts in 5%ers? No, I think they're pretty shit. Last payout that I got, I waited 3 weeks for it. More screen time, more profitable? Yeah, that is a myth. Like the stream, thank you guys. Poppers, the most trade? I only trade EU, GU, Gold, and NQ. That's it. Yes, low RR better than high RR. Yes. Yes, because here's the thing, guys. With low risk reward, you're gonna have a higher win rate. A higher win rate means higher confidence, right? You feel better about yourself. You feel good. You feel calm, right? Because you take much more wins than losses. With high risk reward trades, your win rate is gonna be lower. So you're gonna take way more losses. And psychology, that doesn't work with anybody. That's why I always said, high risk reward is good, but only if you have a lot of experience. For instance, we prefer low. Yeah, definitely. For direct accounts, everything like that, use lower risk reward because you usually have trailing drawdown and all that stuff. So you do not want to go crazy, right? Be right back. Back. Don't tell me EU is gonna react here. What's your take on future props? I mean, yeah, I've traded with them. I've made money with them, but the thing is that they kind of, once they move you to live, and it's over, right? So I got moved to live on basically all the futures profits right now. So they're good to take some profits, make some quick money, but long term they're not sustainable because the live account is pretty shit usually on all the prop firms. So yeah. Standard or cent? I mean, standard is the best, obviously. Watch a trader who is using about 180 to 100 pips tolerance CTP is about. So sincere. I mean, yeah, it's a negative risk reward strategy. It can work, but once you hit a few stop losses in a row, then you're gone. Find account future CFD is better for payout and getting funded. For getting payouts faster, I think CFDs are better. So for CFD platforms, I recommend Hola Prime, Funding Pips, and Funding Next. We can use code NFX on all of them for the best discount. Number one, obviously Hola, and then number two is Funding Pips. With Hola Prime, you can get 500k funded. With Funding Pips, you can get 400k. Funding Next, I think it's 400k. So with all of that, you can have, what's that, 1.3 million? You make 2% per month, that's 20k. Easy peasy. Yeah, got stopped out here on break even. If it goes, it goes. I'm gonna be obviously upset about it because I got wicked on it, but I'm not gonna re-enter the same setup. It is what it is. Maybe we'll look to short something else. GU maybe? I don't know. Let's see if we get like a... I mean, I'll wait for the new 4-hour candle. Yeah, don't be upset. Long? Why are you watching for longs? Gold shorts, nice. It's easy, but it's hard to get profitable. Yeah, obviously. I mean, it takes time. Everything takes time. Is it easy to become a doctor? Is it easy to become a scientist? Is it easy to become anything in this life? No, because us as humans, we need to train in order to become good at something. We need to train the mind, the body, to become good at something, right? Nothing is easy. If everything was easy, then everyone would do it. And we'll be living in a world full of millionaires and money will have no value and, of course it's not easy. Nothing's fucking easy. Why would you want it to be easy though? Some of your past live streams and never seen a trade live? Are you kidding me? We've taken this EU trade literally 2 days ago, Monday. This was taken on Monday. What are you talking about? Not trading live. Here's the trade. Bro, here's the fucking trade. From the highest here. Yeah, from the highest here. I don't know why it's not showing. Right, from the highs all the way there. Do you ever trade live? Yeah, bro, I trade live every day almost. Can't believe this is going back down. Fuck. It's fine. Fine. I take only 1 hour direction trades. Yeah, use the 1 hour. 1.1602. You call the... Oh, we're basically the same entry point. Yeah, now it's shorting. Course. Fucking course. Bro, I hate when this happens. Oh my god. Because I try to play it safe, right? And then it does this shit. All I prime your own business? No, it's not my own business. Good luck, sir. Good luck to you too, bro. It's okay. Yeah, you can make money. It's fine. I don't like money. Said no one ever. Oh, such a boring London session today. Really garbage. It's better or Zuru or Mide. I don't know that food. You also hate when those things happen. It's fucking annoying. I mean, look at this bullshit. Like, literally wicked me. That is fine. We get a new 1 hour, 4 hours, so gotta expect some more volatility to come in here. So gonna have patience. No, I have a sister, an older sister. What are those boxes you placed on the chart, the orange one and the gray one? Oh, this is my sessions indicator. Orange is Frankfurt, 1 hour of Frankfurt session open. The green one is first hour of London open. And this one, blue one, is Asia session. When it's going up, is it going? Is it bullish? I mean, it's not really looking bullish to me with these rejections here. We get another rejection here, we're gonna dump. And looks like I got fucked on the shorts. God damn. God damn it. Trade London session, they said, is gonna be fun. Fucking bullshit. So, yeah. Nothing we can do about it. What is my daily routine? Well, I wake up around 7 a.m., 6:30 a.m. You know, I eat something for breakfast, prepare my everything that I need for the gym, go to the gym, come back home around 10:30 a.m. do my protein shake, take my pills and everything, and then kind of hopping on live or just doing some work. Have a break for lunch, come back for New Year session, train New Year session, then do some more work, and then around 8 p.m. I'm usually done for the day, and then I just chill with my wife. FX sucks? Yeah, tell me about it. My sister is 7 years old. GU 1 hour looks rejected. Yeah, it rejected. Let's see the 4-hour closures. I mean, yeah, it looks like a rejection, but still we didn't have any 50-minute or something break of structure to the downside. So Gonna have to keep waiting for a re-entry, I mean. Do you invest the money you make out of trading? Yeah, I invested in some watches, some real estate, some crypto, all around. Yeah, I'm married. If you have VIP channel, do you put your own trades or somebody else? My trades, and then we have another team member that's sending the gold trades that he learned from me. We're using some tools for the gold trades as well. So because I wanted to provide, you know, everyday trades on gold, and I can't really focus to be on the charts non-stop, so that's why we have someone in the team who does that. But we have the same bias, same ideas. He's just the one sending the trades, typing them out, I mean. Why pairs are slow compared to the back years? Yeah, I know, much slower because it's summer. GPP have, I don't know, did GPP have CPI? Yeah, I think so, because it was Wednesday. Yeah, nothing happened. No, Jen is not in the mentorship. Trump, I have paused the 50% tariffs against Canada that were scheduled to kick in tomorrow. This fucking guy. He never stops, does he? This fucking guy. I'm very curious how the midterm elections are gonna go. When are the midterms? Oh, it's coming soon, actually, November. 1 month. It's gonna be an interesting one. You think he's gonna get kicked? I don't know, man, because he has a lot of influence. I mean, he's making a lot of people a bunch of money, so is he gonna get kicked out? I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know who's gonna be the next US president. I have no idea. Between technical and fundamentals, I think they're strongly connected, but I think technicals are 80%. Usually what the technicals say, you know, the fundamentals are gonna make that happen. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Seems like there's not gonna be any trade for me this morning. How do you use a 4-hour candle close? Well, I like to see it, you know, usually close in the direction that I'm looking to take a trade in. Long-term consequences, yeah, he doesn't care, obviously. How are you reading the charts? That's a question with a long answer. 8 years of experience. But I use simple stuff such as price action. Some tips on trading gold. Gold likes to grab liquidity and then move. So before it's gonna go with the higher time frames, it's probably gonna take a bunch of liquidity and then start dropping. I mean, guys, you're asking me some questions that, how do you want me to answer them in one sentence? It doesn't make any sense. Right, these are questions that require a lot of information. I have a bunch of free information on YouTube. If you want to learn exactly how I trade, you can go to tradingnfx.com, join the mentorship, make a one-time investment, and then learn everything from me from the 200 plus videos that I've recorded over the years. I mean, otherwise it's like, I can't give you a magic answer and, do that, do this. It's a lot of stuff. Yeah, I was back testing when I first started, of course, but then I just focused on forward testing, live testing. Because I think that makes more sense. You learn much more from trading every day live, right? Because you go through the emotions, you go through all that stuff. And it's just easier. Yeah, drink turtle soup. That's funny. Can you give me one Lucid account? Fortunately, I can't trade with Lucid anymore. They moved me live. So I can't buy any accounts. Funny, right? That's why I said, like, I got moved live and basically banned on every fucking prop firm there is, except Hola Prime and funding pips for CFDs. Yeah, Forex is still worth trading. Any CFD accounts, sir? I mean, yeah, I think Hola Prime told me I can give away a 10K account, but I'm not sure how to do that. Let's see. YouTube giveaways. How long will it take to get profitable in your mentorship? I think like with the information that there is, like 3 months. Max 3 months. Let's see. Giveaway picker. All right, let's do a giveaway. One 10K account. That Hola Prime gave it to me. So for that, I would have to make, let's see. You need to have an account on Hola Prime, right? So go ahead and register on Hola Prime. You don't need to buy any account. You just need to have an account with them. So they can, if you win, they can send you the account. So giveaway 19 August. I'm not sure how to do that. Let's see. Google Sheets, I think, is more forms. All right. Hola Prime giveaway 19 August. All you have to do again, just sign up for Hola Prime so you have the account, and then you'll have to go to the link that I'm gonna post in the chat now and just put your email in it. That's all you have to do. Right, publish. All right. So posting the link now. I'll give you guys 5 minutes to put your email in, and then we'll run the giveaway. All right, nothing else going on here on the charts. Why don't trade pairs like here? Why would I trade some shit pairs if I make a lot more money just trading 4 pairs? Right? It doesn't make any sense. Trade, yeah, only USD pairs and NQ. 2 more minutes to join the giveaway. There's 33 people who put their email in. 34 now. 35. Do you have a course for sale? Yeah, you can go to trainingnfx.com and I have the platform blueprint, which is the mentorship. I see heavy dump on EUGU gold. I mean, yeah, it looks like it's setting up for a big move, but with the lack of volatility that we're having, not sure what to think. Looks like it's gonna dump overnight or something over Asia session when nobody's watching it. You know, same bullshit. Same old bullshit. Yeah, exactly. Cross pairs do manipulate more. All right, 1 more minute. And I'm gonna close. Blue Guardians? No, I'm banned from Blue Guardians because I had too many payouts on their CFD accounts. You guys gonna understand, I'm banned on on almost all props because I was making too much money on them. That's the downsides of, I guess, being a good trader. All right, gonna close the form. We have 50 people in it, so gonna have to put that in the giveaway. So give me a second here. Print all responses. No. Oh, I just do this. All right. Let's see. Let's add. All right. Wheel of names. There we go. Oh shit. All right. Gonna hide the emails there. So, guys, ready? 110K account, Hola Prime. And there's the winner. One 10K account on Hola Prime. So I'll take the email, send it over to Hola Prime, and they will send you an email with 100% off discount code. So there we go, congrats. How can I join? Too late. Already done and dusted. join the next live stream. Hopefully we'll get more accounts from Hola Prime. The more viewers we get, the more accounts I can give away. By EU. Oh, back up here. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna get a setup. Yeah, unfortunately, they only give me one account for now because, you know, that's what they give me. I'll try to get more. I'll try to get more from other platforms as well. But hey, it's a free account, so. All right, look at EU pushing higher here, exactly as I kind of anticipated. Trying to go a little bit higher here, so that's why I did not look for shorts again. All right, NQ looks like it wants to go down, but not moving that great. Drew, you're a nice guy. Thank you. Appreciate it. Try to do my best. Good morning. Did you take a trade yet? Yeah, I was in EU shorts, but I got hit at break even. So no more trades for now. Thank you for the free trades. You're welcome. So right now, not looking at any more trades, unfortunately. We'll be looking at gold later on to see if we can continue the winning streak on inside the VIP group. Where is your McLaren? In my garage. If the deposit 500 plus 500 003 lot is good. Oh no, you can trade way more. You can trade 0.25 or 0.10, 0.15. 0.03 is super conservative, but I mean, yeah, you do what you want to do, I guess. How much you want to risk, that's how much you're gonna risk, right? How much in total you withdraw, sir? From what? From props? From props, over $2 million in like 5 years. All right, guys, looks like we got a dead London session here. Gonna get off. Still looking for EUG to potentially climb a little bit higher before starting to sell down. Same for gold. I think it can go a little bit higher today to start selling it. NQ, depends how this 4-hour closes. If we reject, I think we should see more downside to fill this week here to the left, right? And then even lower. So I'm still bearish on NQ. Yeah, 1 hour, if 1 hour closes like this, I think a retest and short sells will be pretty good this today. Had a nice pullback, 200 points. We should continue down. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for joining the live stream. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you guys want to see me live more often. I'll see you guys next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And if we get more viewers, then we're gonna go the entire week. So don't forget to check out Hola Prime as well. You can use code NFX 20% off. If you guys wanna copy my trades for free, go to the Telegram channel, message the support via the blue button, and let's make some money. See you guys, enjoy the day. Bye.